Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical once again. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Lemon dating application. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Lemon dating app, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. Once you've downloaded the application, simply tap it open by tapping on it. Now, choose your country from the options and tap on Apply at the upper right corner. Accept the terms of use of the application by tapping on Accept at the upper right and tap on the Next button. Once you do that, from the home screen, tap on the Profile button at the bottom right corner and tap on Edit Profile. From the pop-up, tap on Login in order to log into your account. You can log into Lemon with the help of your Line account, with your Twitter, or with an email. Select any one options to begin. Now, if you tap on Login with email, you'll need to enter your email and the password in the next page. Type in your email in the first text field, and on the next, type in the password associated with your Lemon account. You can double check your password by tapping on the eye icon at the right corner so that you can be sure that you've typed in the correct password. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on Did you forget your password link and follow the instructions. After you're done, tap on Confirm at the upper right and you'll be logged into Lemon dating application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.